This is a cylinder boring machine used in engine repair workshops to restore worn or damaged engine cylinders. Over time, engine cylinders lose their perfect shape due to friction, heat, and poor lubrication. When this happens, the piston and piston rings inside the engine cannot seal properly, causing power loss, smoke, and high oil consumption. This machine carefully removes a thin layer of metal from inside the cylinder, making it smooth, round, and accurate again. The cylinder block is fixed firmly on the machine base, while the cutting tool rotates and moves vertically to bore the cylinder with precision. After boring, mechanics install an oversized piston and new piston rings that perfectly match the new cylinder size. This process improves engine compression, increases performance, and extends engine life. Cylinder boring machines are commonly used for motorcycles, cars, tractors, and generator engines, making them an essential tool in engine rebuilding and maintenance workshops.